Hi friends! Today we're going to learn how to read and spell three-letter words. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at this word. C-A-T. Let's sound it out with me. K-A-T. Together it makes cat. Here comes another one. D-O-G. Say the sounds. D-O-G. That spells dog. Let's try another one. S-U-N. S-A-N. Great job! It's sun. H-A-T. Let's sound it out. H-A-T. Together it makes hat. B-E-D. Say the words. B-E-D. That spells bed. Great work, friends! You read the words so well. Now it's time to sing together. Let's sing along with me. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. S-U-N, sun. H-A-T, hat. B-E-D, bed.